More things we'll discuss in detail in future lectures. As of now, I want to discuss about something called globe. This is very important. So, do I have written any documentation for globe? Okay, it's not there. Let me see the documentation. Let me import globe first. Then I will print the help on globe. Execute. So what it says, this file name globing utility means it is used with respect to some files we need. If you want, what is the dictionary meaning of globe? Do you guys know? Let me check here. Globe meaning in English. A lump of semi-liquid. This is globe or something else. Semi. Early 20th century, perhaps a blend of blob or gobe. Okay, here it is not showing. But in documentation, they have used this globing unity. Anyway, on high level, globe is used to find some file. Okay, file. If you want to find some file, then that file have it will be having some name. Correct. And what are the other things a file can have? It can have some extension. Okay, so there is a possibility that I have many folders, and in all the folders, I have to find only text file. In all these folders, I have to find only JPEG files. On all these files, I have to find some other files having some other format. Okay, so we can use globe in that way. In shortcut to search a file, we can use globe. So here is the usage syntax. You need to specify the path name. Root directory, this is optional. This is also optional. So only path name is important. As of now, using this path name, I will show few examples. So before that, I have created here some files. Okay. In files folder. Let me use this way. Uh, flow dot flow. And here I need to specify the path. What part should I enter here? Copy absolute. Not really. Where is this absolute? Before it was copy path here. In this files, I want to say star.txt means all the files which are having extension .txt. I want to file. I want to see what are they. So let me print all of them. Okay. So I have made some mistake here. What happened? That use cursor is there. Rolex. Let me make it more simple here. Okay, it's not a Okay. So as per syntax, I should enter here path. Then one more like recursion is true. Recursion is true means I want to search within that folder. If there are folder inside the folder, I also want to go inside that folder and search that file. So okay, this path name is has to be changed. It's not able to read that. Okay, this now it is happened. Why? So print files. So this is empty. Why it is empty? Let me check. Why it is empty? I have files. File1 dot txt. If I remove this, again it is empty. It is not able to find this .txt file. Let me write here file1 dot txt. Is this file is there or not? This is also not there. So what is the problem? C uses, let me print this path. So what happened? So I'm kind of debugging. Okay, we sense. Okay, so C uses this path is very awkward. Why I'm getting this way? Say use name, then 8th Jan. After this 8th Jan, I have this files folder. Let me comment this. It's not able to read, construct this file path, and that's why I just now I told you before some time. It is very important whenever you are using path. So let me try a few things here. If I use double slash, what will happen? Yeah, now it will. Yeah, so I should have used this in all instances. Or can I have some shortcut way? Uh, Shortcut way will be control C. Will be like you are using this part. Okay, so in that case, you should rename this uh, hyphen should not be present. So I thought it will give me error. Now we got what we wanted. Now I'll switch to my original input. What was my original input? I wanted all the files with this extension. Yeah, this was thing I was expecting. Since I was giving incorrect path, I was getting that error. Okay. So before that, just read these three lines and see what is the difference between these three. Because this the error that I got, it is a very common error. Even you guys are also going to get it. I will again regenerate that error. So comment this one. Oh, what happened? Where I got that error? There or I have used this before. And I forgot how to get. Yep. Now this. Give me that error. Is this error? So this error, it says like the Python, it is not able to decode this file. Why? The path that we are specifying, the path, Python is not able to understand. Why? Because we have used here many special characters. Okay, and in Windows, Python doesn't know like is it a file name or some other things. So for that, we have to write like you need to consider everything like a raw. We have to, if you specify R, then also it is okay. Otherwise, we can use this syntax also. This syntax and this syntax are same. Okay, it will give me the same out. Only .txt action. Let's see. Yeah, we got the same output. So in case if you got some error, like that Unicode space codec cannot decode bytes in this position and blah, 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 just make sure your path is correct or not. Correct in the sense Python is able to read that path or not. So make changes in your path. Either you may use this prefix R, or you can replace or slash. In that way, it will consider this as a special character and not like alphabets or some path name. Okay, it's just called escape character. Okay, so I will prefer mostly this syntax to be used and not this one because every time we cannot go and replace a single slash with double slash. So whenever you are specifying the path, use this syntax. Give me a second. So what are the things which were working? I will keep, others I will remove.
So glob is used only to display the number of files we have in a specific path.
Yeah. So this is the first, first level of analysis, you can say. Now you got the file, correct? You got the file one, file two, path you have got. After that, you can do your operations with file.
Okay.
That would be your next stage. So what I want, maybe in this file, I want to search a particular string. I want to search a particular pattern. Okay, then I can open this file using this file path. The best part with this output is that this is absolute path or relative path. Tell me. This is absolute or relative path?
Absolute path of
This
the
is
file.
absolute path. So it is way better that I'm getting the file from its root directly. So in that case, I can will be managed to open every one of them. So we got this files Okay, what will be the type of this files variable? This is my output for files. I don't require this. Again, Alex. So this is the output I have got. Same output. What is the type of this variable? See here. What is the type?
String you want to say because it is in single quotes.
This is inside list now.
List.
Yeah. So it is a list. If you are not sure, you have a method provided. No? You can use that method. So it is a list, correct? So if you know that this is a list, we can iterate through list, correct? So we can write like for file in files, print file. So say we are able to print the file path. So to make it more sense, we can write it like file path, not file. Now we have got file path. So we can do some operations on the corresponding file. We can open it. When after opening it, we can write some contents to the file. So those things we are going to discuss later. I wanted to show you something where I need to modify this thing. And let me remove this. I'm not sure about this file. And here, if I'm not sure which folder will be present at this point after 8 Jan, I'm not sure about uh, this files folder. Okay, what is the name of it? Even I don't know whether we have anything, called, let me create one file. File 3.txt. This file 3.txt is inside 8th Jan. And these two files are there in my files folder. So there is change in hierarchy. Okay, this file 3.txt, it is at this level inside this 8 Jan. If you want, I can open this. It will be more clear. See, file 3 is present in my 8 Jan folder, and file 1, file 2 is present in my files folder. Now I want output having all these three files, file 1, 2, 3, everything. There is my friend name is here. So file C, we got everything. Three paths we have got. For file 3, then file 1 and file 2. So I want this time, I will create one more folder inside this folder. What this is called subfolder. And inside this subfolder, can I copy this too? Paste. So again, I'll go here. File 3 already outside. In files, I have file 1, file 2. In subfolder also I have something called file 1, file 2. So let me rename this. I will rename this to file 3 we have covered. 4, I'll name it 4. Oh, rename. So we'll see what is the importance of this recursion is equal to true. See how many files we have got. File 3, file 1, file 2, file 4, file 5. why I am able to reach out to these files, because I have made this parameter as true. Okay. In recursive way, it is searching all the files. If I have no idea about how many levels of subfolders we can create, so that it will go on next in and searching. But you can assume that another level, that n value I am not sure. Just make sure this recursive value parameter, it should be. So that was about Globe. That is very much important module in Python, Globe. It is used to search file. And in case if you want to search a word, you can first of all use Globe to search files. After that, you can go inside the file to search that keyword.